I use this for a lot of things around the home. So obviously for things like keyboards, just general dusting, especially cracks like in between doors or windows or things like that, this is absolutely fantastic. There are a lot of other projects around the home that turns out this is also really useful for. Just the other night I roasted marshmallows with my boys, had a campfire. Usually I stick my head in there and I singe my eyebrows blowing to keep the fire going with an air duster like this. Super easy. The only thing you have to worry about is singeing the hair off of your fingers because it really gets the fire going. This works great for not only blowing dust but also for blowing leaves or things like that. In fact, I was working on my swamp cooler and the best tool for the job is a vacuum cleaner, but I was high up on a ladder and I needed to clean the dried scale out, and so I could use the air duster to kind of blow it out. It was super messy and I got dust all over, but guess what? I also had an air duster on hand. So you can use an air duster like this to clean yourself off if you're dusty, if you're out working in the yard or doing construction, home renovation projects. You can use an air duster for all those things. WOLFBOX did send this to me so I could make this video. Real quick, let me just show you how it works and the nozzles it comes with. It has a single on-off button. You just press and hold to turn it on. It's got lights to indicate what level you're at. If it has 3 lights, you're on the highest speed, so you actually have to press and hold the button to get it to go. If you press the button again, you go onto speed 2, and you can just press the button once and it'll go like that, and then press the button again to go on the slow speed. And it's just kind of a nice breeze on that speed. Press and hold to turn off, and then this does charge via USB-C. I find that this nozzle is good for flat things. This is kind of the general all-purpose nozzle. A little bit skinnier for getting into cracks or doorways or windowsills. Same thing but longer. This is good for car detailing. And then you can use this for inflatable toys. I just use this to help inflate my son's punching bag. Works just great. I really think an air duster like this is something that should be in every home. It's one of those things that once you have it, you find a lot of more reasons to use it. Obviously for things like cleaning, it's just nice to help blow things around, but I also really like this for different things where I'm outside, especially like using it to clean myself off if I ever get dirty or dusty. Same thing with my shoes. My shoes get dusty a lot. It's nice to have an air duster like this just to keep things clean.